Hey guys, Britt Treese here from WB Treese Consultants. I'm about to take you through a quick snippet of commercial code check. Let's get to it. Page 4B, we may be doing away with the pages, but we're on them for now. It is a continuation of occupancy classifications and separations. The subheading is live work units. Live work units must have an R2 classification, which is non-transient occupancy and at least 3 dwelling units. No separation is required within the live work unit, and the unit must have a fire alarm system and an automatic sprinkler system. Here's a great picture of a working, really pretty garage, because the rest of this page is talking about garage concerns, parking garages and commercial structures. Private garages and carports are type U classification. Carports are open on 2 or more sides. Carports must be type 1, 2, or 4 construction. You're going to want to consult the most current edition of the International Building Code to know what those types of construction are. Garages must have a minimum clear height of 7 feet. The end of the drive lane or a drop to a surface below that's greater than or equal to 1 foot. There must be a vehicle barrier 33 inches high. Enclosed garages must have mechanical ventilation according to the IMC. The electrical vehicle charging equipment shall be listed and labeled according to the UL 2202, and the charging systems must be installed according to NFPA 70. The last subheading on this page, podium structures. For Group R, that's residential occupancy, the number of stories is measured from the floor above the Type 1 parking area. The structure above a parking garage is considered a separate building if all of the 4 following conditions are true. There's a 3-hour fire rating of horizontal assembly between garage and the separate building. The garage is sprinklered and is greater than or equal to 1 story above the grade plane. The garage is a Type 1A. And the shafts and stairways use a minimum 2-hour fire rating for opening protectives. You can consult the IBC 2021 716.1 and following for more details on the podium structures and the fire rated protectives. This is Easy Commercial Code Check. Britt Treese from WB Treese Consultants. Thanks so much.